Stay.
Come on, girls. Too many on it. Let's go. Okay, move up, Peyton. Down, keep the ball. Yeah, good job, Sophia. Come on, Gene, now. Get it out of there, Peyton. Come on, Peyton. Slide over. Over the middle. Cover the ball. Go to her.
Get on it.
Defense.
Keep her. You pass it. Tougher, ass. Tougher. Stay up there. Get in the middle. Stay up there, guys. It'll come to you. Go, Peyton. Stay with it, Peyton. Come on, Gene. Go to it, Gene. Come on, get the ball out of here. Back. Who's the left mid? Defense. Hey, you should be up there. Come on, girls. Sarah, up. Hold the ball.
Get the ball. Take it.
Nice flick. Got it.
Outside.
Outside. Get it out of there, Sarah.
Good job,
Right
Peyton.
there.
One back there. Gotta get back. Nice, G. Do it again.
Come on, girls. Nice. You need to win the ball up there. Come on, out here. Go to it, Vanessa. I'll run it back and come on. Come on, Vanessa. Strong. Nice. Okay, Art. Go, Kate. Got it, Kate. Good try. Nice. Go back out, girls. Yeah. That's it. Go get it, Vanessa. Come on, Vanessa. Got it. Back up. Come on, Vanessa. She's beat you 3 times now. Go, Katie. Go. Speed. Give me go. Back out.
Very nice. Good screen back.
Come on, girls.
Hey there, Caitlin. Nice,
Come
Caitlin.
on.
Good, thank you. Okay, turn. Control. Control.
On you.
Look behind you, Kristen.
Jenny, gotta move up.
Move up,
Sarah,
Peyton.
move up.
Mark up, girls. Good job. Nice. Girls. Very nice.
Come on, Peyton, have a shot.
You gotta win that. Good, Peyton.
Get back.
Ashley, help us, Ashley. You gotta run. Come on, Ashley. Right there.
Sarah, stay with him. Come on, Sarah. Hustle. Get on it. Hustle, Sarah.
Goal 8. Good job. Take your time. Take your time. All right, now big kick. Great kick.
Very nice, buddy.
Got
Kristen, drop it. Defense, Mark.
Nice, Sophia.
Sophia.
Come on, Sophia.
Good, Gene.
Take 2. Come on, Sophia, get the ball.
That's you, Peyton.
Outside.
Again.
Outside.
Good. Nice ball.
Go wide.
Get out of it. Good. So, on you. Gotta go. On you. Good. Good.
Back. Here's Sarah. Come on, girl. Schultz, get in. Schultz, play defense. Go, Sophia, you gotta play defense. You gotta play defense.
That's you, Gianni.
You got number 20. That's number 20. Top of the key, top of the box. Hey, you're in the middle. Remember, you're in the middle.
Wide, down the wide.
Right there. Gotta keep an eye on one, okay? Don't let her get behind you.
All right,
That's
Gina.
okay.
That's it. So,
Go, Sophie.
go! Go! Don't stop!
Becker, you
That's
gotta
it.
get back.
Go, Soul.
Come on, Ashley, get your first
Get
ball.
ball.
Ashley, help
One
us.
attack. One attack.
Good, Sarah.
When you're
Back
pushing
up,
down,
get that back.
look behind you because there's girls
Good.
over
Get the ball. Peyton, slow it down. Slow it down. Keep her. There you go. Keep it down. Keep it down.
24.
Come on, girls, get aggressive.
Good punt. Good punt.
See, that's full. You have to be behind her.
Come on, Vanessa.
Nice catch.
Don't shoot that deep.
Get it, Olivia.
Sarah, step up. Back up.
Shoot, G. Good. Get back, Sarah. On you. All right. Good. That's it. Go. Ash.
Ashley, don't move. Go back out. Go back
You
out.
gotta step up. Good job, Peyton.
That's it, Nicole. Stay with it, Nicole. Stay with it.
Good idea. Good idea.
Yes, Jim. That's okay.
Watch 14 in the middle.
Ashley, pressure.
Get it out. Come on, Sarah. Stay with it. Come on, Sarah. Still, Soap. Nice, Sophia. Keep going, girl. Keep going. Stay with it, Soap. Stay with it, Soap. That's it.
You're forward. First to the ball, Red. Olivia, forward.
There it is.
Good girl, good girl.
Sophia. All right.
Good try. Right there, stop. Get your foot on the ball, Ash.
Nice. Go in, bam.
Now you, Nicole.
Jake D'Angelo.
Ashley, why did you go? Keep moving up.
All the way up to 5, Gianna. All the way up to 5.
Gotta come back.
Whoa.
Come on, Nicole. Stay with it, Nicole. That's you, Peyton.
There's another one. Go, Peyton.
Good job, Peyton. Good job. Take back there. Stop. All the way back, Peyton. Come on, Nicole. Okay, Nicole, hustle back.
One attack.
Good, Peyton.
Stay
Stay
with it.
with it, Peyton.
Now, Peyton, now. Good, Peyton. Drop back. Great. Great job. Good,
Good, Nicole.
Okay, good hustle.
They're all sides. Move up, Anna.
Got it, Lauren.
Stay.
One attack.
Gotta go back.
Hustle, Peyton. Hustle. Hustle.
Emma.
Good.
Again.
Good job. There it is, Liz.
Olivia, you gotta control
Move up, lady. Go, Olivia.
Hey, go, play. Good run.
The ball. Good. Got you. Let it go. Go, Anna. Move it up. Go to the ball. Ball break in. Come on, there's 3 of you there.
Come on, Katie.
Move up, man.
Help her out. Ashley, cheat over 2.
Good job. Good job.
Guys, loosen her up. Watch those over your head. Look for the
Come on, Liz.
Katie.
Go, Ashley.
You, Anna.
One attack.
Good, Anna. Good, Anna. Good, Anna. Stay with it. Stay with it.
Get back, Anna.
Good. Hey, make it,
Back.
Liv.
Good call, ref. Good call. Good call.
Kick it, go.
That's it, Katie. Nice job.
Get back, Ash. You're done. Turn around. Oh, Ash.
Great throw, Katie. One is up. One is up.
Come back. Go get back. Well done.
That's so. Wait, wait, wait.
That's it, Emma.
That's it. That's it.
Good job. Standing, girls. You're standing. Come on. Run at the ball, girls. Run at the ball. Looking at it. Move. You go. You go. Now, go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Good job. Get back. Go. Get back.
Stay with it. On you. On you.
Good job, Morgan. Come on, Katie.
Nice.
Good girl. Now, go
Right
back.
back. Take it
Go
back.
back, go win it back, and go back up the line.
Too far, Ed. Too far.
Come on, get it, got it. Good job, that's that side. Nice run up, back up. Come on, hustle up. Sophia, ready? Come on.
Okay.
Don't let it over you, Becca. Don't let it over you, Becca. Yeah, girl, let it burn. Go, Becca, go, Becca, got it. Yeah, go, Katie. Come on, Katie.
Hustle. Hustle, hustle.
Good job, get back. Pull, get back in straight. Pull, straight back.
On you, Joe. Good,
Ready, go,
Gianna.
Katie.
Watch the bounce.
Nice, man. That's all right. Save it. Got it. What's that girl? Come on, Emma.
Red.
Got it, Kayla. Straight in the middle. Goalie. Oh, good job, Anna. Still in. Anna, get back on your side. Come on, Ash.
Good, Ash.
Made out of rubber.
Good,
Get
Katie.
it
Go,
out.
go, 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 go.
Good job, Sophia.
Keep her.
Way to go, G. As soon as she kicks, she's getting the rebound. Nicole, no, Nicole, you're good right there, on the line.
As soon as she kicks,
Hey,
that's when we run
hey,
up.
as soon as she as soon as she kicks it, you're charging.
Get it, G.
Wait, go, Ash. Go, Nicole, go, Nicole. Go, Nicole. Got it, man. Got it, man. Nice. More fella. Well done. Come on, Katie, go. You got it, Katie. Okay, Nicole, keep fighting. Good job. Katie, drop back. Quick. Good job, Pete. Sophie, more depth. Sophie, more depth. Nice, man. Good job. Get it out.
Good.
Come on, Katie.
Get on it, Kate.
Now win that, Justine.
Justine, put a foot on there.
Out of there.
That's out. Good, Justine.
Go, Libby, go. Come on, girls.
Touch it, Joe. Good. Stay with it.
Come on, Pete. Come on.
All right, Justine.
That's it, Olivia. That's good. Come on, Kate. Don't let her shoot, Ash.
Good job. Good
Get it,
job.
Katie. Got it, Katie. Man on.
Nice.
Now pressure, Olivia. Justine, come on.
Move.
Come on, Olivia, keep fighting. Come on, stay with it, stay with it.
Come back now. One attack.
Defense, defense.
Stay with it,
Katie,
Katie.
nice, Katie.
Stay with it.
Go wide. Katie, call for it.
Kate. That's it. That's it. Nice cut.
That's our ball. Come on, Ash.
Come on, Ash.
Come on, Katie. Katie, win
That's you,
that.
Kate. Stick with it.
Well,
Stick
you
with
know that
it.
move too.
Nice. Go, Lynn.
Hey, let's go. Stay on.
Good job, John. Good job, Morgan. Well done, Morgan. Good ball, Ashley. Hey, ready? Good
Ooh.
job, Sophia. Way to be tough, Nicole. Good job, Nicole. Get out again. Get out. Yes.
Go, Olivia, pressure.
You got it,
Nicole,
Jennifer.
you stay here, let Olivia press.
Harris, hustle.
Go. Good job, Sophia. Come on, Ashley.
Come on!
Ashley, cover the middle and drop back. Ball, Vanessa. Come on, Kate,
Morgan, well done, Morgan. Keep going, Morgan. Get up.
Let's set this up. You got two back right now. All right, Sophia, get back. Sophia, back.
Good job, Katie Gallo.
Get that ball.
Good girl! Bring your hands down! Go, Liz, go!
You got it, Katie. You win it, Katie.
Relax.
Come on, Kate. Morgan.
Come on, Kate. Ashley, defense. Ashley,
Come on,
defense.
so. Come on, so.
Get back.
Nice cross.
Katie. Get back, Vanessa. Keep going. Vanessa, no,
The other
stop,
side,
back.
Katie.
Talk!
Go, Libby. That's you. Go, Libby.
Ash, up there!
Katie, you got it, Katie. Go, Katie. You got it.
Hey.
Good
Harris, hit
job.
that.
Good
Got
job.
Yes, good right now.
Let the girls play.
Gotta go, Peyton.
Come on,
Gotta go to the
Soph.
middle.
Peyton,
To the middle.
Peyton.
Come on. Come on, Soph.
Get it out, Soph. Good. Good ball, Soph.
Quick, Katie. Katie, quick. Come on, play hard. Come on, Vanessa. Don't let her turn in. Don't let her turn.
Nice, Ashley.
Stay with it, Ash.
Stay with it.
Great job.
Just keep be there.
Back, drop back.
Pressure, Olivia, pressure.
Action. Swing. Let it go.
Okay, good job.
Go, go, okay.
Yeah, that was good. Good job, Katie.